Pi network pioneers are pushing for a $314,159 price per coin, and no, that's not a typo. This number isn't random, and it's not what Pi currently trades for on exchanges. So what's really going on? Let me break down the truth about GCV. First, let's clear up the confusion. GCV stands for Global Consensus Value. It's a community-proposed standardized price, not the current market price. Right now, Pi trades on exchanges like Binance at market-driven prices around 0.61 OR. So where does $314,159 come from? It's derived from the mathematical constant pi. 3 bound for 159 pioneers chose this number as a symbolic representation of the network's identity and as a proposed fixed value for transactions. Here's why this matters. Traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have massive price swings. One day Bitcoin is $40,000. Next week it's $35,000. This volatility makes it hard for businesses to accept crypto for everyday transactions. The GCV concept proposes a different approach, a standardized value that businesses and pioneers can rely on. Think of it like how the US dollar has a relatively stable value that lets you price goods consistently. But here's the critical part you need to understand. GCV $314,159 is a goal, not reality. It's what the pioneer community is working toward through grassroots adoption, not what the core team has officially implemented. The pioneer community supports this through organized commodity exchanges, volunteer training programs, and conferences, especially in developing countries where traditional banking is limited. They're building a parallel economy around this proposed value. In my next video, I'll explain how the GCV system is supposed to work and why pioneers believe $314,159 is mathematically necessary. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and drop a comment. Do you think a fixed crypto price could actually work? See you in the next one.